Guys, welcome to the new video. In this video I will explain about what liquidities to use and what liquidities to ignore, because many people will learn the ICT and smart money concepts and liquidity concepts, but they are not profitable in the marketplace. So I will explain you the reasons why they are not profitable in the marketplace, even though learning about the ICT stuff and smart money concepts. And also I will explain you which liquidities to use and which liquidities to ignore. So the first liquidity we should ignore is the Asian liquidity, because many people will frame the buy and sell from the Asian liquidities like this, many people. But the higher probable moves will come from the previous test liquidities. If you backtest this, always the higher probable moves will come from the previous test liquidities. The legs that are internal to the previous test high and previous test low are known as the previous test internal liquidity, and the previous test high and previous test low are called previous test external liquidity. These are the very strong reversal points in the marketplace at any given time frame. These were the very strong reversal points in the marketplace. So you can always frame the ideas from these liquidity points rather than using the same day liquidity. Same day liquidities are like very low probable type of liquidities, because if you are framing the day with the same candle, it's like very low probable. If it's taken the liquidity from the past, it become more probable than the liquidity that was included on the same day. So always you try to take the most from the before days liquidity or before days price action. So it is a very high probable type of trade, because I avoid the Asian liquidities because I used to take a lot of trades in the Asian liquidity, because I found out the win rate is very low when compared to this moves. If you see here in this day, this is the previous day's external liquidity for this day. You can see many people will assume buy here because they think the Asian liquidity is taken. They should go up. It can go up, it can go up. Nothing is certain, 100% certain in the market. Even ICT will lose money. If you think there is 100% probability of winning, you are on the wrong side of the market. No one can help you. So always think in probabilities. The highest probability moves will come from the edges, means previous days liquidities. That's where the liquidity money will be. So always try to anticipate the moves from the previous days liquidities. That's what I am doing. So also many people are asking about the entry patterns what I use after the liquidity is taken. This is the one of the many important concepts. Here what I told you is the liquidities have probabilities. There is no 100% guarantee that any liquidity will work. For this example, this liquidity worked, right? There is also a chance it can go up. So there is also a probabilistic environment for the entry patterns. Some people will use engulfing candle, some people will use break of the structure, some people use this, some people use SMT divergence, some people will use inverse FVC. There are a lot of entry patterns are there. So the same thing goes for the entry patterns, probabilistic nature. Sometimes some entry patterns will happen here, some entry patterns don't. For example, you can think the entry pattern in the 1 minute happened here, don't happen here, because the market never moves in the same way. Because if there is a specific pattern that was happening after the liquidity grab every time, everybody will be a millionaire or billionaire. That's not how market moves. It's completely buyer and selling pressure. That's it, simple. So it's also completely random distribution. The entry pattern may arrive here or here. So if your entry pattern arrived here, you will take trade. If it not arrived here, even though liquidity is not here taken, there is no trade for you. You should ignore. You should be always only taking your moves. If you are taking other moves, it's very bad for your system. You should only take your moves and ignore all the other trades, even the liquidity is taken and everything. That's how you should be profitable in the marketplace. So first thing is you should choose the highest probable liquidity reversal points in the marketplace, and also you should choose a entry pattern in the marketplace. So I will use one entry pattern which I can't discuss here. So like this, you can develop one entry pattern which is good for you and trade after the liquidity is taken out. For example, in the past, I used to use this liquidities to Asian high and Asian low, but I found that these are not high probable as these liquidities. So that's why I'm not using these liquidities anymore. I'm not using the Asian liquidities anymore, and I'm just using these liquidities. That's it. Because these are not high probable when compared to these liquidities. That's why. So you should understand there is no 100% trading, and don't switch out the strategies. Don't switch off the strategies. Many profitable traders also do that because the social media is full of scam nowadays. Don't trust anybody. There are many traders in Instagram. I don't want to name them because they are showing new quarterly theory stuffs and everything, and they are stating it has 100% win rate. It's nothing bullshit. Don't go over it. We are just doing it for the marketing sake. Don't waste your valuable time and energy on the new stuff. Once you got your stuff, ignore everything in the charts. Just apply that edge over and over and over and again and learn from your mistakes. Then you will become beast in the trading. Just give the trading 3 to 4 hours in a day and focus on another businesses or your things. Don't take trading seriously. It's very easy game. It will become tough once you think there is a 100% win rate strategy in this game. If you know, even the 30 years experience and 40 years experience are telling there is no 100% certainty in this game. But why are you listening to the 15 years, 16 years kids that are handling those Instagram accounts posting that they got 100% win rate and they cracked the code of the algo? Don't be a noob, guys. Just think outside the box. There is no holy grail in the trading. If there is a holy grail in the trading, it should be available to everyone. Everybody should trade this and everybody would become a millionaire. It doesn't happen here. Only top 1% people are winning in this game. If there is a strategy like that, at least 40 to 50% of people would win, right? But that's not happening. So you just use common sense and don't waste your time on finding the holy grail. Just build the systems on the liquidity pools, and you also develop a entry pattern. Yeah, just apply it over and over and again. For example, for my edge and my entry pattern, my win rate is very good, above 60 to 70, and I get averagely 8 to 9 trades in a month. And I am very well profitable in the markets because my entry pattern is very simple. I don't focus on any extra stuffs. I just keep it very simple. I don't focus on and don't watch any other courses, etc. Just focus on simple things. Trading is very simple, but the people are overestimating it and backtesting. It's a completely nonsense loop. It will be a no, loop. You will find one strategy and you will backtest. You will not find results. You will switch to another strategy. You work for some time. You didn't like results and you move to the other strategy. Every non-profitable trader cycle will be like that. But the profitable traders, what they will do, they will apply the same edge over and over and again. Even they are the losing cycles or winning cycles, they, they trust their strategy up to their gut level. So that's why even in the losing cycles, they execute their edge flawlessly. That's what the difference between the profitable trader and the not profitable trader. So what I guys recommend to you is just develop one strategy, simple, and execute that and develop your best trades playbook and journal all your trades and observe your mistakes and observe yourself and spend time on psychology rather than the charts. That helps you very much. Spend time on the psychology and rather than the charts. Just give 3 to 4 hours for the trading and spend another half of the day on doing other shit. There are a lot of businesses you can do online. You can do them. My trading is very simple. From the January 2023, I didn't have a losing month. because I am using a simple high probability strategy. That's it. I don't want any other stuff to be added into the strategy. So that's why I stopped looking any other YouTuber's video. It's completely bullshit scam. If you watch a YouTuber's video, just sometimes in some months I may get only 4 trades. That's okay. I only execute my system. If you think that day trading is always everyday trading, it's a false start by the brokers. Because if you trade more, they earn more commissions. It's a complete different false industry we are living in. Every marketer do posts because they just wanna sell their more courses. That's it, simple. So that's why I'm telling you, don't get fooled by this social media trades and everything. Just focus on your system. What the social media traders will do is they will take 8 to 9 trades and they will lose 7 and they just post 2 winners. They trade in demo accounts. That's it, guys. This is very easy game if you focus on right system. There is no 100% in the trading, even if you are uh, yeah, one more thing I want to talk about is some people think if we combine each and every strategy, then we can become millionaires and billionaires. We can get very good percentage of win. Doesn't work like that. Everything has probabilities. Everything. If you combine best strategies in the world, even though it will also have the losing trades, because it's just a numbers game. Even some people will think if we add seasonal tendencies and open interest, COT, etc., we can be profitable. It's nothing. It's just confusion to your brain. Just execute the same system over and over and over and again. Then you can be instantly profitable in the marketplace. That's it. It's as simple as this. So the people you are overcomplicating the trading. It is very simple. That's what I can tell. This video I don't want to show any technical stuff or etc. This is what I mean. Just focus on the high probable areas and the low probable areas like same the liquidities. Or you can swing trade by using these higher liquidities, higher time of liquidities by these liquidities. And you can take sales and target these liquidities. Just develop one system and then you can be profitable. So that's it guys for this video. And also if anybody guys, if you wanna fast track your journey by learning by age, because I got a lot of data of my age from the 2022 and I have developed a lot of uh, mistakes and I developed from the mistakes and I upgraded and refined my edge over the many market conditions and my edge is doing very fine now. If you want to learn my edge and fast track your journey, you can DM me on WhatsApp. I drop my WhatsApp number in the comment section. So you can message me in the WhatsApp so I can check whether you are fit or not. I don't accept every student. I only accept some students. I have got from the past video I got 40 responses and I accepted only 5 because they are only fit. Many people their mindset is not good. They are vibrating in the very lower energies. Those I can't teach the people because their energy can be transferred to me, which is not good. So that's why I should see the chill and interest to learn in you. Then only I will accept you as my student. And of course, it will comes with a price, but which is very good and less compared to the knowledge you will gain from my edge and the lifetime consistent money you can withdraw from the markets until the markets are there. So that's it for the video guys. Peace. Hope you enjoyed the video.